Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. So in today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to make this lovely gown. I'll start by folding this fabric into two as shown. This is a 3 yards fabric and it also comes in 4 yards depending on how long you want the gown to be. The circle should be at the center of the fold, and I'll fold this equally again. That means I practically folded this into 4. The length of this fold determines how long you want the sleeve to be. So the first thing I'll achieve is the shoulder slope. I'll start by marking 3 inches on the starting line as shown. Then at the other end, I'll mark 2 inches. Now I'll use a straight ruler to connect the points together. The next measurement to take is the half length measurement. The half length for this client is 15.5, but if you're a plus size person, you can do 16 inches. Now I'll extend the line. The next line is the shoulder to hip measurement, which is 25 inches. Now extend the line. So on the hip line, I'll go down by 3 inches, and that will be 28 inches, because I do not want the curve to be directly on the hip line. And I'll extend the line. So this is the shoulder slope, the half length, which is the waist, and the hip line. And I went down by 3 inches. The next line is the hemline, which is the length of the gown. The length of the gown is 40 inches, so I added 2 inches seam allowance to it, and that will be 42 inches. And I'll extend the lines. Now I am done with the horizontal measurement. For the neckline, I'll go down by 3 inches to achieve the neck depth. For a plus size person, you can go down by 4 inches. Now I'll use the French curve to achieve the neckline as shown. Next measurement is the sleeve opening, and this is how it is measured. The sleeve opening for this client is 14 inches, and if I divide by 2, I'll have 7 inches. Then I'll add 2 inches to the seam allowance, and that will be 9 inches. The next measurement is hip measurement. The hip circumference for this client is 42 inches. If I divide by 4, I'll have 10.5 inches. Now I'll place the tape on the hip line to mark 10.5 inches. and I'll add 2 inches to the seam allowance. Then I'll extend it down to the line below the hip line. So from the sleeve opening, I'll make a curve down to the line below the hip line. For the hem circumference, I'll place the tape on the hip line, then I'll subtract 1.5 inches, and that is 11 inches. I'll mark 11 inches on the hem line, and I'll use a straight ruler to extend the line as shown. Now I'll trim this out. Yeah, you can decide to create your belt O or not, but for this client I'll be creating a belt O, and in doing this I'll take the waist circumference. The waist circumference for this client is 36 inches, and if I divide by 4 I'll have 9 inches, so I'll add 2 inches to it for the seam allowance, and that will be 11 inches. So on this 11 inches I marked, I'll go up by 2 inches, and I'll go down by 1 inch to achieve a keyhole. Now at the center of the curve, I'll pull the fabric this way, and I'll use the scissors to create the hole as shown. Now I'll use my pins to secure both the front and the back piece together. So after pinning, I'll open it up this way. Remember, it's a one side or shoulder dress. So to achieve this, at the center of the neckline, so I'll place the tape this way to mark 8 inches. For a large size or an extra large, you can use 9 inches. Then for a 2 extra large size, you can use 10 inches. Now I'll use a French curve to connect the points as shown. Now we are done cutting this lovely dress. If you would attach a label, make sure you notch the center of the neckline as shown. To sew this dress perfectly, the first thing to do is to secure the shoulder by 1/2 inch. Now I've secured the shoulder. The next step is to fold the sleeve opening by 1/2 inch and fold it further in by 1/2 inch as shown. After securing both the shoulder and the sleeve opening, the next step is to secure the neckline using a bias tape. Now I've secured the neckline. The next step is to secure the keyhole. To secure the keyhole, I'll place the fabric as shown, wrong side to wrong side. This region is a bit pointed. I'll place my arm in between the fold. So on the right piece, I'll fold it in, and on the back piece, I'll fold it in right side to right side, and then I'll sew the wrong side of the keyhole by 1/2 inch all through. Make sure you give it a good press. Now I'll sew the side by 1 inch. So to do this, I'll turn it to the wrong side of the fabric as shown. Then I'll secure the sides by 1 inch all through. I'll repeat the same thing for the other side. Now I've secured the sides properly. The next step is to secure the hem by 1 inch and folding it further in by 1 inch. Okay, so this is all for the gown. You can decide to apply a paper stone, which I did. It comes in different designs, but I decided to use this. It's very easy to apply. I'll open it up as shown to place it on the center of the circle. If you feel it isn't placed properly, you can easily remove it to place it well. Now I'll place a wet fabric on the stone, then I'll give it a good press. Thank you for watching to the very end. I really appreciate, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos, and don't forget to put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you, subscribers. Bye.